Hello and welcome back to my active kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make beautiful authentic Buka stew. You know the kind of Buka stew that you get, you roll your sleeve up for. Yes, this is it. This Buka stew is good with okra, it's good with ewedu, it's good with abula, amala, all kind of swallow to be honest. It's a very versatile stew and yes, this is the Yoruba version of it. This is the Yoruba way of doing it, and it's the best way of doing it. So let's get into it. So to get started, I'm going to be bringing my meat to boil. In my pot, I have some beef, I have cow leg, and I have some thick ponmo. I think I only have like few bits of abodi in there. And I'll be seasoning the meat with some bouillon powder, some chopped onions, and salt, and a bit of oregano because oregano does not alter the taste of the soup. You don't need curry and thyme for buka stew ever, to be honest, because I just think they are not just meant to be. So for my pepper, I'm using fresh tomatoes, some red bell pepper, and some chopped onions, and of course scotch bonnet called rodo as well. So I'm using this fresh one because I had it and I thought, oh, I won't let it go to waste. So yes, there you go. So I'm going to blend this with a little bit of water until smooth. So yes, the pepper is blended. Then I would move on from this point now. I will move on to bleaching my palm oil. So you don't really need a lot for this, but yeah, I reckon you bleach like a cup and a half. Now you add your bleached palm oil to a pan on a medium heat. Then add the chopped onions, just to give it some flavor, some aroma, to get you started. It's a good base for your stew. That down to about soft, then add the blended pepper. You don't need to boil this for buka stew, no, it's not needed. You just blend it and pour it straight into your palm oil. Check those bubbles out. So yeah, just leave this to do its thing uncovered now. Don't cover the pot with its lid. So just leave it to do its thing for about 15 minutes. Check on it and keep stirring. Your buka stew should not burn because you'll be cooking it on medium heat or low medium heat. So I'm going to be seasoning that again with some bouillon powder and some salt. And after some few minutes, about 5-10 minutes again, I will add my cooked meat into it. I did not grill this meat, I did not fry it. Because the way I remember this stew, the meats are usually not fried. So yeah, we're going for the authentic taste. So why not? Add the cooked meat to it and just let it marry the stew a bit, flavor and everything. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn, so it doesn't stick. You want your soup to be a bit light and not thick. And yeah, I'm going to go in and add the remaining palm oil into this stew, because that is how it is done. So yes, at this point, just leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. The more you stir, the more your palm oil will disappear into the soup. Don't be deceived that palm oil is there somewhere. So don't go and be getting some fresh palm oil into this. Look at that. I've turned off the heat now, and the palm oil is going to magically appear on top of my stew. So if you want to decant it, you can. If you want, serve it straight up. It's all good to go. So that is it, guys. If you love this video, please give me a huge thumbs up, like and share this video with everybody, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Please, why haven't you subscribed already? Thank you. I'll see you in my next post.